fucking lag, man. This shit is brutal. That is a terrible time for this shit to stutter. Man. Oh, pal. Oh, buddy. What are you thinking, man? Interesting. Does he see me? Oh! Oh, man. Yeah, I guess. The fuck? He didn't go inside, did he? Huh? What? Yeah, there. I don't know what the fuck these textures are doing, man. Tell you this much though. Jesus Christ, man. Huh? I wonder what this guy was doing. He's trying to like loot. So unfortunately, my recording software took a shit and stopped recording right at the end of this match. But I thought the ending was cool and then super anticlimactic all at once. So I wanted to kind of play it here and kind of talk through it a little bit. So I was kind of sneaking up on this town, this area. I heard some shooting and caught a glimpse of a guy there. And I got worried here that he had saw me because he looked like he was kind of looking at me, but then he threw a grenade over there. He definitely saw me there, but I domed him and took him out. Then I spotted his buddy on the rock here, tagged him once, and then ripped off a nasty shot there, which felt pretty good about that follow-up shot. Then went about my looting here. Some looting, found an M24. You can see a name in that building there. I'm not aware of this guy, right? So I hop on in the building. I'm thinking about how my backpack's way too white and is going to get me killed. And I get wrecked by Captain Closet here. The bravest player in the history of Pubg. Look at this guy. I mean, you know, that's dang, you know? I mean, fucking brave as shit. He's just in there. Nobody around him. Just fucking camping in the old closet. So that's unfortunately how that match ended.